Hey everybody, it's me, Mike Celestino from LaughingPlace.com. This coming Sunday, June 21st, is Father's Day for 2026, and I received this bag in the mail from our friends at Disney Consumer Products. This is actually a bag that I've received before at a Star Wars event last December. You may recall if you keep up with Laughing Place's videos. This is from Heroes and Villains. It's a very nice Star Wars themed bag, and this shipment is in honor of what they're calling I Am Your Father's Day, which is, a reference to The Empire Strikes Back. Spoiler alert. What Darth Vader says to Luke Skywalker there in Cloud City on Bespin. But we're going to open this up and see what kind of new Star Wars merchandise we received for this I Am Your Father's Day 2026. By the way, thank you to Disney Consumer Products and all the Lucasfilm licensees for sending over this bag full of Star Wars products. Let's start off with this. This is Star Wars The Mandalorian and Grogu Bounty Hunter Bath and Body Works dermatologist tested body spray. I'm definitely going to be trying that out. Usually Doobie, the co-founder of Laughing Place, tries out all of the Bath and Body Works licensed products from Disney Consumer Products and Disney licensing. But I don't think I've ever even tried a Bath and Body Works product, so I'm definitely going to try this out. It looks nice. I guess let me spray a little bit. See if I can open this up. I see. You turn it right to lock it. Turn it left to unlock it. There we go. It smells nice. Yeah, kind of smells like aftershave. I'm definitely gonna try that out. From Bath and Body Works, that's the Mandalorian and Grogu Bounty Hunter body spray. Okay, next up we've got a book from Disney Publishing, Disney Press, Disney Books, and Lucasfilm Publishing. Star Wars Dad Jokes Strike Back. I've gotten one of these dad jokes books before by Kelly Knox. She works for Lucasfilm and she's very famous for tweeting out these Star Wars dad jokes, and then she started writing books, which is a perfect fit for her, I think. And she's done more than one. This, I think, is probably the second in the series of Star Wars dad jokes books. Let's flip to a random page here. Why are Rebel social gatherings on Hoth so awkward? It's really hard to break the ice. How do shepherds travel through hyperspace on Space Sheep? Why don't Wampas get married? They always get cold feet. How did the probe droid discover the Hoth Rebel base? It used echolocation. So that's the kind of thing that you can expect from the Star Wars Dad Jokes Strike Back book from Disney and Lucasfilm. There's also some illustrations in here. What do you call two gonk droids in love? A power couple, because they're power droids. So you need a little bit of Star Wars knowledge going into this. Did you know that tree villages on Endor have libraries? Ewoks love visiting their local branch. So some nice illustrations. Illustrations by Johnny Sampson. So he did the cover here and the illustrations inside. It's a fun little kind of stocking stuffer style gift for the dad in your life or anybody who enjoys that type of humor. Let's move on to the next item here. Speaking of fathers and sons, this is the Mandalorian and Grogu themselves, a father and adopted son from the new movie, Star Wars The Mandalorian and Grogu, which is, I believe, still playing in theaters right now from Lucasfilm. I've seen it 5 total times, because that's just the kind of dork I am. But you may recall from 2 previous videos, I've received copies of this exact action figure before. It's the Vintage Collection, 3 3/4 inch scale, Star Wars The Mandalorian and Grogu. It is the title characters, The Mandalorian and Grogu, and he comes with a variety of weapons There's little Grogu there. He attaches via a peg on the jetpack, the Rising Phoenix there. I'm going to show you the one that I've taken out of the box already. So here's 3 3/4 inch vintage collection Mandalorian and Grogu. You can see he's attached. Grogu is attached to the jetpack there. The helmet does not come off. You can't see Pedro Pascal's head underneath. He does come with the rifle, the blaster pistols in the holster there. Got the little sword, the dagger from, or a sword from the pit fight. I am glad that I got another copy of this, though, because I accidentally threw away that little vibro knife there last time I opened one of these with this one. So it worked out. I got another copy, so glad to have that. I will be opening that to get that other knife out of there, but I already have an opened one, as you can see. Okay, next up from Lego, we've got Lego Star Wars Darth Vader bust. This is a series that they've done. Lego's doing these busts now, little mini busts, and there you can see, based on the size of the Darth Vader Lego minifigure that's included there, relatively how big the Darth Vader bust is. What I've been doing with the Lego sets is I'll do a separate video of unboxing and building and reviewing this. Looks like the head does rotate. It's 18 centimeters or 7 inches tall, 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches wide. There's, in case you don't know who Darth Vader is, there's a picture of him from the movie. And it's got it's set number 75439, 349 pieces, recommended for ages 18 and up. So look for a separate video unboxing and building the Lego Darth Vader mini bust. Excited to check that out. Next up, this looks like a shirt from our friends at Roosevelt, which over the past, how long has it been now since I've been into Roosevelt's? At least 5 years or more. They've become my favorite apparel brand. Probably more than 5 years, but they do such an amazing job. This is a Star Tours shirt from Roosevelt. I've seen it in the parks. I've almost bought it a couple times, and now thank you so much for including this, Disney products and our friends at Roosevelt's. It's got Captain Rex, Starspeeder 3000, an X-Wing, Starfighter, C-3PO, R2-D2. It says now boarding, Endor Express. It says Star Tours. There's some asteroids. There's Yavin, Bespin, Endor, Tatooine. So it is representative of the original, 1987 version of Star Tours. There's the Death Star. And, this is just a great shirt for Star Wars fans and Disney Parks fans. It's in my size, extra large. I do find that Roosevelt's runs a little small on their sizes, so I do get the extra large size. Imperial Star Destroyer on there as well. I'm going to be wearing this all the time. I'll be back in Disneyland on Friday. Maybe I'll wear it then. But yeah, I love Roosevelt. I love pretty much everything they do, especially when it's something that I'm interested in. And I own a lot of Roosevelt shirts, both that I've purchased and that they've sent me through my job. So I can't recommend them enough. I love the material. So that's Roosevelt's Star Tours shirt. Highly recommended for Star Wars and Disney Parks fans. Let's continue here with a Funko Pop Star Wars vinyl figure bobblehead from Funko. This is one of the Anzellans from Star Wars The Mandalorian and Grogu. There he is on the back. His name is Clang. Number 820 in this series. And you know, the Anzellan species was introduced in Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker with the character of Babu Frick, you'll recall, and he was popular enough that, and cute enough, really, that Jon Favreau brought them into the Mandalorian Disney Plus series. Not Babu Frick, but different members of the Anzellan species. And now if you go see The Mandalorian and Grogu in the theater, you'll see 4 of these guys running around and interacting with our heroes, the Mandalorian and Grogu. This one's name is Clang, and he's one of the Anzellans that helps the Mandalorian fix up his new Razor Crest ship in the movie. And there's a lot more action involved with them that I won't spoil here if you haven't seen the film yet. Nice bobblehead from Funko Pop Vinyl. Glad to have that. This is just a card letting us know what was included here, all the different licensees, and a list of the products they included in this mailer. And thank you again to Disney Products and everyone who contributed to this, because it's a bunch of really, really cool stuff. Lastly, from Ravensburger, still haven't 100% confirmed how to pronounce that. I think it's Ravensburger, but it's another different. So last time, you may recall, when I did a Mandalorian and Grogu products unboxing, there was a Ravensburger puzzle in there from the Mandalorian and Grogu, but that one was different. It had Zeb Aurelios on it, and this one doesn't have Zeb, but it has a lot of different imagery from the movie, The Mandalorian and Grogu, including the 2 title characters. You've got the Razor Crest ship, a Rebel Alliance medallion here with the insignia. Or, sorry, this is New Republic, actually, because it's after the fall of the Empire. You got Grogu with his chest armor there. There's the 4 Anzellans, like I mentioned, surrounding Grogu. And you have the Imperial Remnant AT-RT driver. There's the AT-RT being driven by the Mandalorian, Din Djarin. More with the Anzellans and Grogu and the Imperial insignia there. Here's the back, which is kind of a generic Ravensburger backside of the box. 1,000 pieces. Looking forward to doing this. We do puzzles usually around the holidays. When we have family get together, we gather around. We like to do puzzles, and it looks like a fun one. It's nice and colorful. And I believe that's it. Let me put everything together, and I'll show you everything that was included in this bag. Okay, so this is everything that was included in this Star Wars I Am Your Father's Day product mailer from our friends at Disney Consumer Products. We've got the Ravensburger Mandalorian and Grogu puzzle. Looking forward to doing that. Very, very nice Star Tours button-down shirt from Roosevelt's. Love Roosevelt so much. The Bath & Body Works Bounty Hunter body spray. I'm going to try that out. We've got the 3 3/4 inch vintage collection, The Mandalorian and Grogu from Hasbro, and the Kenner branding, the old school style Kenner branding. And then we've got Funko Pop bobblehead of Clang, the Anzellan from The Mandalorian and Grogu. Star Wars Dad Jokes Strike Back from Disney Press and Lucasfilm Publishing by Kelly Knox. And then lastly, but not leastly, Lego Star Wars Darth Vader bust. I'm going to be building that in a separate video very soon, so watch out for that. Otherwise, happy Father's Day. Thanks for watching. Thanks again to Disney Products and all of the licensees. May the Force be with you. We'll see you real soon. Thanks. Bye.